How much does it cost to clean your roof? So this is a question often asked when people call roof cleaning companies. It's not always easy to answer until we understand where the property is located, how high is the roof, what is the ground around the home. So it's really important that when you're trying to work out how much does it cost to clean a roof, that you get somebody to come out and really carefully assess the property. So once we've come on site, or once any roof cleaners come on site, they'll be looking at the ground. Do they need to put a ladder? Do they need to put a scaffold tower? Do they need to use a cherry picker? And all these will factor into how much it's going to cost to clean your roof. So to give you an idea, a typical roof clean in Kent, at the moment, the average roof cleaning price is about £2,800. Now, there are some that would get cleaned for £1,600 plus VAT because they're smaller, maybe a bungalow, something like that. And then you can have really big mansions that could be £8,000, £10,000, £12,000. So there's every variable really, and this is why we say when you're really thinking about how much does it cost to clean my roof, you really need to get a quotation from a reliable company. Make sure that they understand all the health and safety issues, insurance and safe working practices. So when they come out to your home, you're not going to be in any danger, you're not going to be sort of liable for any accidents. So it's not just looking for the cheapest price, but actually what's the best value for your home and your family, and what's going to give you that long-lasting result. Some roof cleaning companies have warranties backed by manufacturers because they use their chemicals, and their chemicals, we know that they would actually keep that roof clean for say 5 years or longer. So of course there's an additional cost to that, but it's definitely worth bearing in mind when looking at costs. Is somebody just going to pressure wash it? Well, then it's not going to last as long. So it may seem cheap at the time compared to somebody else, but actually you're going to have to get it done again within 2 or 3 years. So it's cost you more money really. And bear in mind, if you do phone a company like ours, we'll come out and measure up for free. We'll provide you with a written quotation. Not going to cost you anything to find out, but it's certainly worth, looking at the differences. And that's how much it costs to clean your roof.